Tabas rented a kayak from a sports equipment store for a rental. The store charged 60 per day. That is variable cost plus 25 for delivery. That is fixed cost. If Tobias was charged a total of 325 for how many days did he rented the kiosk? अब जो रेंट होगा दैट रेंट इज इक्वल टू 60 टाइम नंबर ऑफ डेज प्लस 25. सो टोटल रेंट इज 325 minus 25 is equal to 60 days, or 300 divided by 60 is equal to number of days, that is equal to 5. So answer is B. Which of the following is equivalent to the expression above? So these are two expression and they are getting up sum कर रहे हैं हम इनका. तो this -2 -4 plus +4, so 4 divided by 4, there will be no constant term, so these two are not the answer. Only answer is either A and B. So 2xy square plus 3xy square, that is equal to 5xy square. So 5xy square, both have 5x and y square, so 3x minus 8x, that will be equal to minus 5x. So this one is the answer. You can easily sum up these two terms by 2xy square plus 3x minus 4 over 3xy square minus 8x plus 4. So just cut these two. 5xy square minus 5x, obviously A is the answer. It is another way to solve this question. Thank you. The function f is defined by f of x is equal to 3 raised to power x. What is the value of f of 2? Just simple function question. Plug in the value of 2 instead of x. So that is equal to 3 raised to power 2. What is 3 raised to power 2? That is 9. So this one is the answer. The graph of f is shown according to the graph. What is the value of f of 0? Mean x is equal to 0. Against x is equal to 0, we want to calculate the value of y, that is f of 0. So this one is x is equal to 0 moving downward, and this point is the value of f of 0. So f of 0 is equal to minus 8 from the graph I have found. So B is the answer. H of x is equal to minus 4 bracket start x minus 1 bracket close plus 2. The function h is defined by above. Find for what value of x h of x is equal to minus 2. There are 2 or 3 methods to solve this. So first of all, minus 4 x minus 1 plus 2, that is equal to minus 2. Move it here. So minus 4 x minus 1 is equal to minus 4. So x minus 1 is equal to 1. Divide by 4. So x is equal to 2. So move this to add it here. So x is equal to 2. This one is the answer. Other way is that when minus 4 plus 2 is equal to minus 2. So you came to know that x minus 1 should be equal to 1. Thank you. The equation above expresses temperature C in degree Celsius in terms of temperature R in degree Rankine. Which of the following expression the temperature in degree Rankine in terms of the temperature of degree Celsius? Mean, in other words, you have to subject R. R should be subject. So first of all, when you transpose 5 over 9 to the other side, it becomes 9 over 5. So 9 over 5 is here, 9 over 5 is here. So these two are not the answer. And minus 491.67, which is negative here, on the other side it becomes positive. So this one is the answer. So A satisfy or fulfill both conditions. But you can simply solve that 9 over 5 C is equal to R minus 491.67. So transpose it. So 9 over 5 C plus 491.67 should be equal to R. So A is the answer. So I have given you the both method. One is the shortcut method by these dots and cross, and other is the total solution. Thank you. A geographer found that the land area of Aruba is 75 square miles and the land area of Bermuda is 19 square miles. Based on these data, the geographers use in equation 75x plus 19y is equal to t to estimate the total number of resident. Estimate the total number of residents. So of two Iceland, which is the best interpretation for x? Best interpretation for x. You know that Aruba plus Bermuda is equal to t. So 75x plus 19y is equal to t. So 75x is the population of Aruba and 19y is the population of Bermuda. So the total number of residents in Aruba, that is 75x. The number of square mile of Aruba is 75. So this one is not answer and the interpretation of x. The total number of residents in both islands is t. So the population density, the resident per square miles of Aruba is also equal to x. So D is the answer. This is the best interpretation for x. Thank you. What is the sum of the solution of the given equation? Sum of the solution. We came to know that whenever x square, we have x square minus sum of x plus product. There is a one condition that the coefficient of x square should be equal to 1. So here 1x square minus 12x plus 35, that will be equal to 0. So the sum is equal to positive 12 and the product of this system is 35. So he is only asking for sum of the solution, that is equal to positive 12. So if you want to know the roots, so the roots are 7 and 5 or 7 plus 5 if further inquired. In the right angle triangle ABC, sin x is equal to 5/8. What is the value of cos y? So first of all, you know that sin x is equal to perpendicular over hypotenuse or opposite over hypotenuse, that is equal to 5/8. So this one is equal to 5, this one is equal to 8. What is cos of x? Cos of x is equal to base over hypotenuse, yeah, adjacent over hypotenuse, that is also equal to 5 over cos y hai, there is cos 5/8. So sin x is equal to 5/8. So cos y is also equal to 5/8. C is the answer. There is another option. If this one is x, this one is 90. So y is equal to 90 minus x, angle sum of triangle. So when you want to calculate cos of y, mean in other word cos of 90 minus x, and we know that cos of 90 minus x is equal to sin x, and which is equal to 5/8. This is another option. So you can solve it by this method. Thank you. In the xy plane above, a point F not shown is placed so that the triangle ABC is similar to triangle DFE, not DEF. Which of the following could be the coordinate of the point F? ABC is equal to DFE. So A is corresponding to D and C is corresponding to E. So from here we came to know that A to C is 3 times 1 and D to E 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 2. So 3 and 1 is converted into 6 and 2. Similarly for A to B, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 and 4 is equal to 2 and 8. So we have to move from here 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So if D is equal to 2 and minus 2, we will move 2 here, it become 4, and we will move 8 downside, it become minus 10. So 4 and minus 10 is the answer. B is the answer. Question 11. Y is equal to x plus 3 and 2x minus y is equal to 0. Very easy question of simultaneous equation. Which of the following is the value of y in the solution xy, the system of equation above? So just plug in the value of y here. So 2x minus 3, that will be equal to 0. So x is equal to positive 3. C is the answer, but it is the value of x. We want to find the value of y. So y is equal to 3 plus 3, that is equal to 6. So value of D is 6. So D is the answer. Thank you.